We are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and I'm Dave. And today I'm going to provide you with the AUDUSD custom project. Let's go on to the website and get it. We're on the blog where you can download this. I'll put the link in the description below. Let me show you where you can download this. You can read about the description of this if you want. And you can download it from here. It is in a Dropbox file, zip file. So just download that and then unzip it. Boom, you can put it right into StrategyQuant, and you got AUDUSD custom projects, all 9 of them. We're in StrategyQuant in the custom project, and here are all 9 of those custom projects for AUDUSD. And we've got 3 versions of the daily chart. I recommend trying version 2. Definitely want to switch out the building blocks to what you like. And then also the hour 4 version 2 as well. And version 3, both of these make strategies really easy. If you're going to make it on the hour 1, maybe version 3, and then you're just going to have to put it on overnight because it makes about 300 or 400 per hour, and it needs 1,000 to fill up. Currently reading this book called Advances in Financial Machine Learning. Super cool book, and it goes over a lot of concepts that they use in StrategyQuant, and it just shows how big quant funds and hedge funds separate all the different tasks amongst a big group of people that all work on it at once, and they just tell you how important each section of testing your strategies are. And yeah, it's really thought-provoking, and it shows when you get super serious on each subject, yeah, you know how to go about it. So check out this book if you ever have time.